In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use jump logic in the RevenueHunt app. Jump logic is used to redirect users to different questions, results pages, or external URLs based on their responses. For example, in a skincare quiz with a skin type question, different follow-up texts can be shown for each answer. Without jump logic, all follow-up text would appear one after another. To configure jump logic, open the Conditional Logic tab, select the skin type question, and in the jump logic section, add a rule such as, if the response to question skin type is dry and tight all over, then go to the dry skin statement. Click Add another rule to add more rules that will point the user to the correct statement based on their answer. Then, update the default destination for each follow-up text so the quiz continues to the next main question, such as the skin concerns question. Once all rules are set, save the changes and preview the quiz to ensure everything works correctly. Jump logic can also route users to different results pages. Create a separate results page for each skin type in the Results Pages tab. Then, in Conditional Logic, select the last question in the quiz and set rules so that each skin type answer leads to its corresponding results page. For example, if the response to question skin type is dry, then go to the result page for dry skin. Click Add another rule to add redirections to other result pages. Save the changes and preview the quiz to test the setup. Another use case for jump logic is sending users to an external URL. For example, if a customer says that they are allergic to a specific ingredient, you can automatically send them to an info page in your store. That's it. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.